Welcome to DJI's Drone Mega Factory. Today, I'll show you how we build the world's most advanced aerial cameras. Subscribe to Process Pulse Factory.
Stages about the hint that Wiki wants to send just when you're in the light. Another startle and then it's put out before.
We've optimized the obstacle avoidance.
The path planning looks smoother.
Let's test the active track.
At DJI, our integrated systems ensure unparalleled flight stability and imaging performance.
DJI Comprehensive Manufacturing Tracking, gimbal calibration and battery cell data linked, camera sensor. Overcharge protection validation, short circuit simulation, puncture testing, temperature extreme exposure.
The gimbal drift is exceeding tolerances. Stabilization is degrading.
We need to isolate the cause immediately, and this affects performance. The data clearly shows drift exceeding 0.005 degrees.
We need a firmware fix, no hardware changes.
Let's isolate the thermal coefficient of the encoder.
Agreed. The magnetic flux variance correlates with the temperature rise.
Dual solution, improved motor encoder, temperature compensation engaged, firmware auto-calibration algorithm, drift eliminated, hardware-software synergy.
Try adjusting the impedance matching network.
Good idea. That should improve the signal reception for Galileo. With the new lithium polymer cell formulation and enhanced BMS, we've increased longevity by 40%.
The
new training datasets with diverse lighting are really improving shadow discrimination.
Exactly. Look at the false positive rate drop while maintaining safety metrics.
Sync now enhances frequencies for uninterrupted control, even in dense urban RF.
DJI drone assembly. From aerospace-grade components to flying 4K cinema camera, Chinese engineering excellence in every detail.
This gimbal stability is insane. 4K Hasselblad quality from a flying camera this small. DJI changed cinematography forever.
DJI Aerospace Excellence. Over 6,000 drone production specialists trained annually in Shenzhen facility.
We are at the DJI R&D Center, developing next-generation technologies, like full-frame camera drones.
DJI partnerships with major industries globally. Hollywood studios, agriculture corporations.
Okay team, today's focus is gimbal quality. Every unit must meet these standards for optimal flight performance. Let's hit our targets.
Looks like yesterday's output was solid.
Yes, but today's flight test targets are ambitious. Let's ensure gimbal stability is prioritized during quality maintenance.
From understanding brushless motors to mastering cinema-grade stabilization, every detail matters.
All right, the vision system verification looks good.
Perfect. Aerospace-grade reliability, just as expected.
We have a sensor shortage threatening Mavic production. Activate alternative sensor qualification immediately. This is our top priority.
Remember, the key is precision alignment for optimal stability.
I see. So every component must be perfectly seated.
比较懂前程的章程予以质疑，请当紧咬。不应停引最后。
We are checking the rotor calibration now.
Flight systems are nominal.
The oscillations seem to correlate with the new firmware update.
Let me check the sensor calibration parameters. Could it be a resonance issue with the motor frequency?
Production is exceeding targets. Flight quality metrics are stable.
Excellent. Let's push those innovation targets for next quarter.
Now you know DJI's aerial secrets. What impressed you most about drone manufacturing? Subscribe to Process Pulse Factory for more innovation deep dives.
Next, GoPro camera factory secrets. Then, Insta360 production precision. Subscribe to Process Pulse Factory.